Hey viewers, here we are again with a new video. Today's topic is on geoprocessing tools. Clipping tool. It helps to remove a part of an input layer up to the boundary of a specified feature. Such as, for example, I am using India shapefile. Now I want to clip an area. Just click on the select feature, select the area you want to clip. I am clipping Andhra Pradesh. Then right click on the layer section, export. Save selected features as. Set a file name. OK. Now our area is successfully clipped. Now we can use another way to clip. Just click on the layer, India shapefile. Open attribute table. Select features using an expression. Now select fields and values. Name 1. As name 1 consider the state names. Andhra Pradesh. Add to current selection. Close. Now export. You can use both the ways to clip an area. Buffer tool. It helps to create a polygon at a set distance surrounding the features. Let's start. Such as, for example, I have created the shapefiles earlier. Now in this water body shapefile, I want to make a buffer zone surrounding it. So we will go for vector, geoprocessing tool, buffer. Set the input feature, then set the distance for the buffer zone. Now set the segments and styles. Save to file. Save, then run. Our buffer zone is created surrounding the water body. Now if you want, you can change the symbology of the buffer area. Intersect tool. It helps to overlap between the input and the overlay features. Now I want to overlap these two different features which have some common attributes. Geoprocessing tools, intersection, set the input layer. Overlay layer. Now save to file. Save, run. You can see the water lines are overlapped with the state map. Dissolve tool. It helps to aggregate features that have the same value for an attribute. Such as, for example, I have taken a district map. Now I want only the boundary of the state. Vector, geoprocessing tools, dissolve. Now select the input layer and save to the file. Run. You can see we have get the state boundary. Union tool. It helps to merge two input features. Suppose for example, I have taken two district maps of two different states. Now I want to merge these two states. Vector, Geoprocessing tools, Union. Select the input layer and the overlay layer. Save to file. Save. You can see the two different state maps are merged together. Eliminate tool helps to erase the features from an input features. As for example, I am using a district map. Now I want to erase some of the features in it. First of all, we have to select the features we want to erase. Then click on Vector, Geoprocessing tools. Eliminate selected polygons. Set the input layer. You have to select an area you want to merge with. Save to file. You can see that some of the features are erased.